We are going on a pirate ship adventure. Hi, Mermaid Poppy.
Hi.
Hi. Let me see. Turn like it. Oh, look how cool. Arrgh.
I see a few of your rail pirates trying to sneak on the ship, I can tell. On board the treasure on our 16 high-powered toilet water cannons. You shoot dirty toilet water, you should all bathe when you leave here. Welcome aboard. I saw the mermaids coming. So you got the size advantage. If they're not listening, you easily throw them over. I knew he was a real pirate. You're the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, so you're here for the shark. Oh, you're shark fishing.
That's it. Good job. Welcome aboard. All right, everybody. Good afternoon and welcome aboard to the most fascinating, the most incredible, the most dangerous treasure pirate hunt there is in all the 7 seas. And I welcome you. Are you guys ready to have some fun? Say, do we have any mates or mermaids that want to find treasure? Say, aye, aye, Captain!
Aye, Captain!
So we are ready. We're going to have a great show. Let me introduce my incredible crew. Over here is General Pearl. Where is she? There she is!
Go power!
She just floated over on a dead palm tree last night just to entertain you guys from the Caribbean, and here she is, and she's gonna take care of Big Bad Billy Bones. There he is, the most fierce, the most incredible, the most amazing pirate there is, Blackbeard Billy Bones, the pirate.
Brother, I'm Sparrow, offspring of the greatest pirate to ever live, Jimmy Buffett. Rest in peace, Margaritaville. You can put it all on Captain Lloyd's tab when you go there. Do not disrespect Jimmy Buffett on this.
Amazing.
I know you want to
He's actually
disrespect Jimmy
related
Buffett.
to Sparrow and
do
Jimmy
it.
Buffett. He's the black sheep of the family. We're going to take care of you, Billy Bones, Blackbeard. We're going to make you walk the plank. We're going to destroy you with all these great, incredible mates and mermaids.
Time to
Fight,
get
fight. You're going to have to fight to beat Big Bad Billy Bones, the pirate.
You're never going to knock him off the jet ski shooter like that, Jack. If you have to face it, look at this down there. That does shoot dirty toilet water, you should all make. A good part do share. You don't want to walk the plank. And what do you say to the captain when he gives you an order, something you normally don't tell your parents when they're asking you to clean your room while you're listening to Def Leppard? Aye, aye, Captain, is the correct answer. Or yes, Mom, you're much smarter than me. I'll do it immediately. On the count of 3, you're going to say, aye, aye, Captain, so loud the Captain needs you to take an order from here. 1, 2, 3. Aye, Captain!
Start another music.
Pearl, we're not going to allow that.
No!
sir.
I said
No,
you're
sir.
the most famous
No,
shark fishing
not today.
captain
Now we're
on the
only
whole water
wonderful.
coastal.
No, we got some great mates and mermaids.
Like you was over here telling me like you had a parrot on your shoulder going, call. You was going to tell me and take my treasure. You don't even clean your roof. You don't even like sea turtles. Oh, now you're going to have this mermaid throw me off the boat? Oh, no. I can
Oh, you better take care of this. We can't
I can
have this on this
meeting.
ship. He'll make you walk the
Captain
plank.
Blackbeard!
He'll throw you overboard. Get rid of this dirty old pirate. Come on, Pearl, take care of it.
Wait a minute.
Wow, look at the pants.
Yeah, mermaid.
Yeah, I love
Yeah,
mermaids.
he's something else.
Yeah.
Pearl,
Oh, mermaid, you see her?
Yeah.
Mermaid, come back.
There's your third wife. She's looking for her alimony and her child support.
Yes, you're
We're gonna get ready to fight. Keep Billy Bones off this ship. Where is he? He's a disaster. He smells awful. Nasty old pirate. Let's get out of here and go find the treasure. What do you say? Don't let him get anywhere near the ship. He's on that. He's nothing but a smelly old disaster of a pirate. Here we go on the cruise. The most amazing, the most fascinating treasure hunt there is. We're going to leave Billy Bones right there.
Sausage fingers.
Down low today, okay? We do not want to shoot anyone in the face because we do not want it to get in your eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Won't taste good, won't feel good, no one likes being shot in the face. Okay, so keep your shots down low. I like it.
Oh, you got me.
Shoot at him. Oh, bring it up. Rachel,
Go get her legs.
only call for a ceasefire. Put those guns back in the bucket. Rachel, put all those guns away. Is we need to swear this oath to the Jolly Roger to make you all official pirates. Now, can we do that? Yeah. Yes. I solemnly swear. I solemnly swear. To be a good pirate. To be a good pirate. I will share me gold. I will share me gold. With all of me mates. With all of me mates. I will defend this ship. I will defend this ship. With all of me might. With all of me might. And I will always. And I will always. Put up me best fight. Put up me best fight. Great job, pirates. Give yourselves a round of applause. Great job, pirates. Give yourselves a round of applause. You are all now official pirates, but hold on. We have one more thing we need to do. Take the shoes off. No. You can keep your shoes on. I need to find treasure so I can buy myself shoes. But what we need to do is we need to make this an official pirate ship. Now, we need to raise this Jolly Roger all the way up to the top of the staff.
When you raise the Jolly Roger, that's the skull and crossbones of the most fierce fighting pirate ship there is on all the 7 seas. And are you now ready to protect this ship? Say, I know Billy Bones is nearby because I can smell that little rascal. He's a dirty old pirate. But now, we're going to have to do some George swabbing because I need a really shiny deck. Because when Billy Bones shows up, he's going to be ready to fight. And I need everybody's help.
And cannons, great job, pirates. Now, we got to use those cannons just for a bit in the beginning, and then we got to bring out some training guns. So how about we bring out some swords? Does that sound good?
That's it, mates, mermaids, and pirates, that's it. Let me see some good sword fighting. Everybody's a target. You gotta work. We're gonna have to use all our weapons, our swords, our water pistols, our cannons to fight off Billy Bones.
Oh no, Lincoln.
He's got a sword. Sorry. Hold on here, tight. Hold on the hand.
This way.
There you go, right there. Now, get her.
That's it, pirates, you're doing a great job. Some of the best pirates I've seen here in Myrtle Beach in years. Fight. Wow, do you guys smell that? I smell it. It's terrible. It smells like Billy Bones. That's the most awful smell I've ever smelled in my life. You know we're going to have to fight him. Are you guys ready to fight? Say, wait a minute. I got a special alert from the Coast Guard. Billy Bones has stolen a jet ski from Myrtle Beach Watersports. He's here in the waterway, and we're going to have to fight.
He's over there!
Where is he? Where? I don't see him. No. That guy lives in there. He lives in that little shed. He had a party last night. He lost his grill. Let's help him find the grill. Sir, did you find your grill? What's wrong, sir? Can we help you?
It's Billy Bones.
Captain! I found the treasure chest! A shark bit the line! Now the treasure chest is in the water! For the looks of it, you still have a bunch of travel on your boat that have my treasure map. Need to take down.
Wait a minute, he just called you guys losers. Get to your cannon along the beachfront. The restaurants, the porta potties. It's terrible, it stinks. But it's the only thing that can bring Billy down. Come on, mates. Come on, pirates. There he is. Billy, drink up. Open your mouth and fill your belly. Drink it like it's rum. Here he comes to the other side. Come on, mates. Destroy the jet ski. I'm going to supercharge the cannons. Cannons are now supercharged with the worst toilet water I've ever seen in smelled in my life. Knock him off the skis, send him to the bottom. Send him down to his cave with the skeletons, the rats, the mice, the bats, and all his dirty old friends. Just released the military, the Army, the Navy, the Marines, the Air Force with their missiles to fight Billy. But only you, the greatest pirates of Myrtle Beach, can defeat him.
Get him!
Called you losers again. Don't take that from him.
What'd you do back to him?
He doesn't know what to do. You're doing a great job.
Billy!
You broke the water
Billy, you're not broken, Billy. We'll turn it back on if you don't give us that key.
What key?
The key to the treasure, come on. I'll let you back on if you give it to us.
Give us that key, Billy. Everybody say, give us the key.
Give us the key. Give us the key.
Stand by. He might try to trick you. Hey, you almost knocked him off. He's headed for them. Pick up meeting. I'm not sure, but he might be back.
Key. Congratulations. And we've got it just in time, mates. Because you see, we are quickly approaching the treasure. Captain says he can see the X up ahead. But mates, if you think back to those treasure maps, did they show you exactly where the treasure is, or only kind of close? Kind of close, right? Well, here's the thing. Back when I was younger and I heard this riddle written by Blackbeard, it's going to tell us exactly where the treasure lies. The riddle goes like this. Guarded by Davy Jones, under the sea is a treasure chest the same or a different image? I think this is what the riddle's talking about. Hold up, boy. There's three of them. But they look very similar, right? So, hold on. Do we think this is what the riddle's talking about? Are we 100% sure? Should I tell Captain? Hey, Captain! They said this is what the treasure is.
What are you saying? Are we anywhere near this treasure? Say aye, aye, Captain.
Not going to move, okay, pirates? When I open this chest, even if it is gold inside, we want to keep our hands glued to the deck because we do not want to be greedy pirates like Billy Bones. Does that sound good? Yeah. All right, mates. Now, two. That's him. Oh, it's a big stuck pirate. Got it. Did you guys hear any like hissing inside? Yes, he is. Here on the angle, did you see anything jump out? No, it's not. You're going to run into trouble. No tails, no nothing. No. Alright, so sounds good. I'm going to stick my hand in here. You ready? He's on it. I'm telling you, he's on it. Pirates, we've got ourselves a bunch of gold inside this chest, mates. Congratulations.
He's over there. Look to the left. He's in that blue house. He's up in the... Wait a minute. He's up at the top. He's in the bedroom taking all the gold and the jewels. Look at him swimming in the pool, everybody. Nice work, sir. Nice work. Is your name Larry? Larry the carpenter?
Thank God you're here. Your toilet water disabled my jet ski. The shark was attacking me.
Wait a minute. I'm going to back down, pirates. I got to help him. The toilet water destroyed his jet ski. I got to help him. A shark bit his arm and he ran out of juicy juice.
I told you.
Have to supercharge the cannons because he's gaining steam. Come on, mates, mermaids, and pirates.
Somewhere poppy.
Fill your belly. Drink it like a drum. Alright, dirty scallywag of a pirate. He smells awful. All kinds of disgusting insects, mice, rats. Oh, the gold. Here he comes to the other side. He's What's he doing? That mess. Don't let him get on board. He's going to climb overboard. He's losing steam. I can tell he wants that gold. Billy, there's no chance you're going to get it.
Goodbye. That's the trick.
Oh, he almost fell off the jet ski. He's a mess. Look at him. He's so... Everybody give my huge hand. I'm very proud of you.
Still there?
Yeah, it's still there.
Not only twice, but 3 whole times. Congratulations, Pirate.
Yes, we gotta get stuff too, so.
What is it time for? Is it time to party? Let's go. Let's shake and bake, rock and roll. Let's get this boat moving and grooving. Come on, everybody. You are rich. Now you can go out and get whatever you want to eat. chicken nuggets, mac and cheese, grilled cheese, hamburgers, hot dogs, and my favorite, who loves pizza? Say aye, aye, Captain! Everybody, I smell Billy Bones. He's somewhere nearby. I smell him, that rascal. He might fall down on that dock. Be careful, Billy. Pirates, do you see him?
Yes. Do we see him?
You're a disgrace. Where are you? Show your face. What a mess. These incredible pirates. Wow, look at that dancing. Holy mackerel. I haven't seen dancing like that since John Revolting in the 70s. Wow, look at that. Oh no. I told you not to bring your dirty underwear down to the dock. What's the matter with you? Oh my word. Can't you go to the laundromat? He's gonna pass out. We're all ready to pass out up here. Put that down. Wait a minute, pirates. He's waving the white flag. You can keep the gold. Give him a huge hand. What an amazing fight. What an amazing battle. Look, he passed out. He can't take the smell either. A much kinder, gentler Billy Bones. Look at him. He's still happy. Look. He's a mess. Look at him. He's still going to town. Billy Bones, the most incredible pirate of all time. Mermaids, thank you so much.
He's bad.
It is bad, huh?
Yeah. When I did this, then he did it.
Did he get back to you?
Yeah.
All right, everybody hang tight and stay to the left because Billy Bones is going to come up and visit us one more time.
Okay, back up. You gonna let me back on, Captain Toilet Water? Alright, attention, attention. I realized I was a bad part. I'm a good part now. I got a bath now. I also got spanked with my bum. I called my mom. She said I looked dumb and I needed some rum. And that's exactly what you look like every time you don't fit for your parents. And don't. But if you forgive me, say, soon you'll learn I'm a real pirate. There's a real treasure chest behind me if you'd like to leave us some real gold. Give yourselves a round of applause. Your official world excellent pirates. Now get up the ship and have a great time in Myrtle Beach. Stay with your families. And we greatly appreciate you coming and having a great time.
Thank you so much.
Seasick? Did you get seasick? A little. Watch, Sage. Jeez.
You had pretty good aim. You sprayed me right in the face. It kind of went through my nose and out my ears. You here for the sharkfish? Oh my God! Watch out! Oh, did you get taking a picture? That's the blue. Oh, I almost went for another swim. It ain't the first time.
Give him 5.
I knew he's gonna have good aim. I could tell by the shirt and the crop pins.
You had good aim? Yeah. You must say it.
It's really good.
Poppy posing.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, the monkey.
What was your favorite part? You don't know? This way, guys. Alright, I'm driving the Amanda mobile.
If you go to the house, can you put those in the fridge?
I will do that for you.
Please.
Where are you going?
To dinner. Just me and Miss Amanda.
Why didn't you bring this
Huh?
car? No, because there's not enough room for him.
Because
Right.
Lincoln needs to be in a car seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was the smartest thing to do.
And I
You know why? Because we're very smart. I guarantee you that I'm smarter than you.
100.
You know.
Give us a black eye. A shark sees that.
You guys are gonna be. Are those puppy?
Did you get it on there? On your arm. Is that a skull? How was it? Not nuggets.
I like that.
How's that food, Lincoln? Good? Poppy, you happy?
When you got Chick-fil-A after.
How was the boat ride?
Surfers can play the piano.
Ready? Ready? We're finally sitting by each other tonight.
Big order Chick-fil-A, taking them back to the house to eat. You want a vodka? Some of this?
I used to stay by myself in a ballroom.
What you guys do? Hi, Amelia. Hi, Amelia.
Yeah. Where did you eat? We went to that other place by Boardwalk Billy,
Oh, that's right.
local, whatever.
The puppy's asleep, yes.
Oh man, this is awesome. Great movie, great seats, great snacks. Doesn't get any better.
Thanks for watching. See you again next time.